Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you step-by-step guide on how to make the perfect puff puff. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe you will need flour, and I am using all-purpose flour, sugar. I'm using unrefined sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Powdered milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Salt. I'm using whole nutmeg. You can use the powdered nutmeg. Yeast. And these are two types of yeast you will mostly find when you go to the store. Instant yeast and active dried yeast. This is active dry yeast. This one you will have to activate it with warm water before using it. Instant yeast, you do not need to activate it before using it. You just add it like that and use it, but you make sure it does not have direct contact with salt, because salt will kill the yeast. And if you have a big bottle like mine, once you open it, store the rest in the refrigerator. Oil. For frying, you can use any oil of your choice except palm oil. I will start by mixing the warm water, and I'll be using 1.5 cup of boiling water, 2.5 cups of room temperature water. The water should not be hot and it should not be cold, and I have the right temperature. This is how you get your right temperature, or you can use a thermometer. And I will add in 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, add yeast, I'll mix with 1/2 cup of the warm water and mix it very well till it is well mixed. And I will leave it to brew for about 8 to 10 minutes. In a large bowl, add in flour. I'm using 4 cups of flour. And this is how you get your right measurements, like so. And I'm using 1/2 cup of sugar. You can add sugar to your taste. 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I will grate in nutmeg, and the nutmeg is for flavor. If you don't like nutmeg, you can use any flavor of your choice. And mix the dry ingredients very well. And the yeast is proving now. You will notice it has risen and there is bubble on top of it. If it doesn't look like this, that means that yeast is no longer active. You want to get another one. And I will add that in there. And I'll rinse the bowl with some water and add it. So you gradually add water till you get the right consistency and mix. And I'll add in some more water, and I'm gradually adding the water. And mix it till you get a smooth batter. The batter should not be too thick and it should not be too light. It should be in between. And this is the right consistency I am looking for, like so, and that is done. Cover, you can cover with a plastic bag and cover with a napkin. It needs to stay warm. And this is the leftover water I have, so I use 2 cups of that water. I will leave it to rise for about 50 minutes. Depending on the temperature of your house, you can leave it for more. And it's 50 minutes. Check, and if it has not risen, you can leave it for some time. And this batter has tripled in size. So I will stir to take out some of the air. And it's time to start frying the puff puff. Here I have the oil on the stove already, and I will set a strainer, put in a paper towel. I'm going to be using an ice cream scoop, and you can use your hands if you feel more comfortable with your hands. You can also use a measuring cup or a spoon, but if you're using a measuring cup or spoon, you dip it inside oil so the batter can easily come out. And I will check the oil before putting in the batter, and to do that I'm using a stick. Once you see bubble around the stick, that means the oil is hot. Put in batter. You can also test it by dropping a little bit of the batter, and when it's hot, you will see the batter stays on top. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. You guys are amazing. And if you are not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and subscribe and put on the notification bell. Click on the ones that says all notification. That will enable you to get notified each time I upload video. Please share my video and like the video as well. And I am frying on medium to high. For example, the highest of my stove is 10 and I am frying on 8. And once they are golden brown, take them out of the oil. And I'll be putting it on the paper towel and strainer I prepared earlier on. And repeat the process until done. And puff puff is ready. They were super delicious. I will open it so you see how it looks inside it. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.